So I guess the 2012 and 2013 X5s don't have the clips on the headlights. So I was told I need to do a counterclockwise turn. I don't know if you can see this, but a counterclockwise turn, and I was able to pull it out. I'm going to have to undo this clip. Yeah. I was able to undo that clip. Just quarter turn. It was like an eighth of a turn, actually, probably. Counterclockwise. And there's the old bulb. Picked up these on Amazon or eBay or something, I don't know. Must be Amazon. Amazon purchase. So, hopefully these are the right bulbs. Does appear to have that on there, just in plastic instead of metal. So I'm going to go find some gloves and reinstall this. So I got some gloves on, you just don't want to touch that light. And I'm going to try and reinstall this new one back into the car. Alright, let me see if I can get this positioned here. Try and get my phone to stay. Set this down. Not exactly the easiest access. kind of back in there, but it's not set yet, so I got to turn it a quarter turn. Which is not exactly the easiest thing to do. Alright, I got it back in there. You can see it in the video in the blind here. But that's the new one back in. So it should be good to go. I'm going to do the same for the other side. It should be just the same. Just kind of a pain to get to, but oh, it works. And now the cover is back on, and it kind of pivots in on the bottom. There's that clip on top right there that you just kind of squeeze right there.